Imagine holding the future of compact computing in the palm of your hand. A device so powerful it blurs the line between a tablet and a workstation, yet so small it disappears into your jacket pocket. The tech world is buzzing, and for a good reason, because the iPad Mini 8 isn't just an incremental update. It's the definitive answer to every prayer small tablet enthusiasts have made over the last decade. You felt that frustration before, haven't you? That moment when you want the raw power of an M-series chip, but don't want to lug around a giant slab of glass that feels like a dinner plate. For years, Apple kept the Mini on the back burner, treating it like a niche product for pilots and medical professionals. But 2026 changes everything. We are standing on the precipice of a design revolution where small no longer means compromised. This is the story of how Apple reclaimed the throne of portable productivity. Let's talk about the first thing that's going to stop you in your tracks the moment you unbox this machine: the display. We've heard the rumors for years, and the leaks coming out of the supply chain in Asia are finally confirming the dream. ProMotion is coming to the Mini. Think about that for a second. The 120 Hz refresh rate that pro users have bragged about since 2017 is finally shrinking down. No more jelly scrolling, no more stuttering when you're flicking through long PDF documents, and no more feeling like you're using a second-class screen. This is a Tandem OLED panel, the same breathtaking technology found in the latest iPad Pros, offering deep, infinite blacks and a peak brightness that will make HDR content literally pop off the screen, even in direct sunlight. Whether you are a digital artist sketching in Procreate or a gamer pushing the limits of AAA titles, this display is designed to be the most color-accurate, fluid experience ever put into a sub-9-inch chassis. But a beautiful screen is useless without the brains to back it up. Under the hood, the iPad Mini 8 is rumored to be skipping generations, potentially landing with an A19 Pro or even a Bind M4 chip designed specifically for thermal efficiency in a smaller footprint. This isn't just about opening apps faster, it's about Apple intelligence. We are entering the era of AI-native hardware. Imagine an iPad that doesn't just wait for your input, but anticipates your workflow, offering real-time video rendering, AI-driven photo expansion, and a Siri that actually understands context without skipping a beat. For the first time, the Mini isn't just a media consumption device. It's a creative powerhouse. You could be editing 4K ProRes footage on a plane, using a device that weighs less than a pound, and never see a single frame drop. That is the kind of leap we are talking about here. It's about the freedom to create anywhere without the weight of a laptop holding you back. Design-wise, Apple is reportedly shaving the bezels even thinner, giving us more screen real estate without increasing the physical footprint. The chassis is expected to be crafted from recycled titanium, making it lighter yet more durable than any Mini before it. And for those who live their lives on the move, the introduction of MagSafe charging for the iPad is the one more thing we've all been waiting for. Imagine snapping on a slim magnetic battery pack or a dedicated keyboard folio that doesn't require a bulky connector. It's about an ecosystem that finally feels cohesive. We're also looking at a relocated front-facing camera, moved to the landscape edge because Apple finally realized that even on a small tablet, we spend a lot of time in video calls. No more awkward eye contact or off-center angles during your Zoom meetings or FaceTime calls with family. What makes the iPad Mini 8 truly viral potential is the price-to-performance ratio. While the Pros are getting more expensive, the Mini remains the gateway for those who want the best of Apple without the four-figure price tag. But don't let the price fool you. This is a premium tool. The integration with the Apple Pencil Pro, featuring haptic feedback and squeeze gestures, turns this small tablet into the ultimate digital notebook. Students, architects, and writers are looking at this as the holy grail of EDC, everyday carry. Why carry a notebook, a Kindle, and a laptop when one device does all three better than the originals? As we dive deeper into the technical specifications, from the Wi-Fi 7 integration to the Thunderbolt-enabled USB-C port, it becomes clear that Apple isn't just updating a tablet. They are redefining what mobile actually means in 2026. Stay tuned, because if these leaks hold true, The iPad Mini 8 is about to make every other tablet on the market look like a relic of the past.